Hello and welcome to the NAPA Sales Planning Training presentation. Today we're going to be walking through the NAPA Sales Planning website to show you how to use the tools it provides to help you to more effectively manage your sales territory. We're going to be taking a look at some reports that you're already familiar with, as well as some new reports that will combine the information collected within the NAPA Sales Planning website with your sales numbers to help you to identify opportunities within your accounts and ultimately sell more parts. By the time we finish the training today, we will have gone through all the screens that you'll need to use to access the NAPA Sales Planning website. Let's get started. To access the NAPA Sales Planning website, go to any internet-connected computer and type www.mynapa.biz into your web browser. Once you have navigated to the NAPA Sales Planning website, you will be prompted to enter your username and password. Type them into the provided field and click Submit to access the site. Once you click Submit on the login page, you will arrive on the NAPA Sales Planning homepage. As you can see, there are two main pieces of navigation on the NAPA Sales Planning homepage. The main upper navigation will allow you to access a list of your accounts, the utilities, printable forms, reports, and call recording. By clicking each of the tabs above, you can navigate to those pieces of the website. We will go in more depth about those particular pages in just a moment, so for now, let's focus on the features of the homepage. The homepage has three tabs located on the left-hand side of the screen, which will allow you to access your sales numbers, your activity history, and your accounts and prospects list. For right now, let's concentrate on your sales numbers. On the left-hand side of your screen, under Sales Numbers, you'll find your daily sales report. These are figures that are taken from the Cognos system that are used internally in your store. The information is split up into two categories to give you a way to analyze the data. On the left-hand side, you will see your own personal totals under My Totals. To the right of that, under OSS Totals, there's a figure that combines the sales numbers for all the OSSs within your district. Moving to the right center part of the page, you will see a thermometer graphic labeled this month's projected percent to quota. This is a calculated figure showing you how your sales are trending towards your quota for the entire month. To get more detail on the specific number, hold your mouse over the thermometer graphic and the number will appear over the chart. On the far right-hand side of the page, you will find your key performance indicators. In the main key performance indicators grid on the top of the page, you will find some summary information about your territory. This grid will show you both information about your territory from the previous month and then a comparison of that month to the month prior so you can see how it changes over time. Below the main key performance indicators grid, you will find a quota percentage chart. This chart shows you both your quota percentage for all of the months so far this year, in addition to projected quota percentages for both the current month and the year to date. So this is the NAPA Sales Planning homepage, which you can access every day to look at key information about your accounts. Should you ever navigate away from this page and need to get back to it, just hit the Home button at the top of the screen and you will return to this area. That concludes our training on the NAPA Sales Planning website. All of the tools that we have looked at today are designed to help you to better manage your sales territory and ultimately to sell more parts. Should you have any questions about the website, you can always reach us on our live support number at 800-309-9000. Thank you for joining us.